Hello everyone, thanks for joining me once again today. Welcome to FHAlenders.com. We're going to talk about a zero down FHA loan because many of you are searching for that. So the first thing I want to let you know is that FHA loans do have a minimum down payment requirement of 3.5%. So there isn't going to be a zero down loan that you can apply for, but we're going to talk about is how to get a zero out-of-pocket FHA loan, meaning you're not going to need to bring that money to the table yourself, or as close to zero as possible. So the first thing is, if you're struggling to come up with a down payment to get a mortgage, an FHA loan, and to purchase the home, the first thing you can do is get a gift from a relative. Gift funds are permitted with an FHA loan, and you can get a gift not only for the down payment, but it can also cover the closing costs. So let's say your down payment is $7,000 on a $200,000 purchase, and you need another, let's say, $5,000 for your closing costs. Well, if you get a gift of $12,000, that money can be used to cover both. Let's say your gift comes and it doesn't quite cover the closing costs and only helps you with the down payment, and you have some down payment money but you don't want to spend it on your down payment. You can also get a seller credit at closing to cover the closing costs. The seller is permitted to provide up to 6% of the purchase price towards your closing costs. And that's really a great strategy, not only to cover closing costs, but even if you wanted to maybe buy the rate down. Let's say the lender can offer you a half a point less on the interest rate if you pay X thousand dollars more in closing costs. You're buying the points down, you're buying the rate down with points. So let's say you pay 2 points to do that, and 2 points of $200,000 is $4,000. and your seller is willing to cover that for you. Now you've got a half a point less on your interest rate for however many years you keep the loan, which could save you way more than the $4,000. So that's another strategy there. But you can also get, if you don't have the ability to negotiate with the seller, you can also get a lender credit. The lender can, in exchange for a higher interest rate, pay for your closing costs. Okay, now let's go back to the down payment. If you don't have someone in your life that can provide you with a gift, you are permitted to apply for down payment assistance. There are many different down payment assistance programs throughout the United States. They are in your state, in your community, in your county, and they all cannot be found by doing a simple internet search. Sometimes you need some help to find them. We do have a page on the website that provides you a list of some of the most common ones in each state. So you can get your down payment from there, and those are typically grants that do not have to be repaid. In some instances there are some that have to be repaid, but mostly they're grants, and you usually have to have a credit score that meets their minimums. You probably won't get it if your scores are in the 500s. But if you have scores in the 600s, then you may qualify. We also can help you with lender-provided down payment assistance. So that would often be a small second loan to cover the down payment. And in some instances also, if you keep the mortgage open for a certain number of years, then that loan is forgivable. So that's another option to purchase your home using an FHA loan with zero out-of-pocket funds. Whatever the case may be, depending on your situation, your solution might be different. So I encourage you to contact us at FHAlenders.com. I'm also going to put a link to this article down below in the first pinned comment, and also the description, where you can read more about this. Thanks for watching today, everyone, and we will see you next time.